you're back. Well, now that you're here, how about we talk about supporting sentences? Okay. Before we start talking, I want to make sure you understand the word attention span. Attention span refers to the amount of time that you can focus on something. Okay, little children have very short attention spans. Adults have longer attention spans. Um, Sometimes our attention spans are about 15 minutes, so that's why I try to keep these videos short. Okay, so that's the new vocabulary word, attention span. I don't think the teenagers in this photo have a very high attention span. Okay, this is the paragraph that we saw on page 26. First, I'm going to ask you to pause the video and read the paragraph again. Remember the hamburger and try and see if you can find which sentences would be the supporting sentences. Okay, pause the video and I'll wait. Okay, did you find them? There you go. These are the supporting sentences. Everything in the middle. All the yummy parts to eat from a hamburger. Alright, so first of all, let's understand the difference between supporting point and detail. So supporting point refers to the main idea in the topic sentence. Relates to the main idea. And this can be a fact, like a number or a statistic. And the supporting point is just one sentence long, okay? So it's one sentence long and it's connected to the topic sentence. It's related to it, okay? Then you have details. Now the details help the reader understand the supporting point. The details can be an explanation or they can be an example. Sometimes they can even be both. Now your detail will be one sentence or more. So when you write really long paragraphs, you will have a lot of detail. Examples and explanations, sometimes we have 2 or 3 examples. Those are called details. So let's look here. What is the supporting point and what is the detail? Okay, so I already took off the topic sentence and the concluding sentence. All of this is only the supporting sentences. Which ones are the supporting points and which ones are the details? Alright, this is the supporting point. And everything else are the details. Okay? In this case, the details are examples. And here's the rest of the paragraph. The first part here is the supporting point, and the rest are the details. In this case, this part of the details is an explanation. Okay, so if you put all of this together, this is what you have. You have your topic sentence at the beginning, concluding sentence at the end, your 2 supporting sentences, which are in yellow, and all the details in green. Sometimes the detail can be an example, sometimes it can be an explanation, and it doesn't have to be the same number. So here I have 1, 2, 3 sentences of details, and here there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences of details. Alright, activity 3.10. Now it's your turn. Can you find the supporting sentences? Okay, and try and underline where are the details. Please pause the video while you're working. Are you finished? There you go. If you selected this part, the yellow part, as the main supporting points, then you're correct. And if you selected the underlined part as the details, then you are all set. You understand the difference. Well done. If you prefer colors, here it is in green. All right, now before we stop, I want to make sure you notice the transitions. Now, this is something we're going to review later on. It is very easy to find the supporting details when you have transitions. So later on, in fact, when we get to writing our whole paragraphs and our whole essays, we're gonna have to be super careful about transitions, okay? Because it tells me where one idea ends and the other one begins. Here at the bottom in gray, I have a concluding signal. We're also going to learn about this later. Again, do you need help? Did you get one of your answers wrong and you don't understand why? Please send me an email and I will be more than happy to help you. It's time for another quiz. So again, the quiz has the exact same questions from the book. They're now put into a quiz form. So once you are done, if you want to go back and review, you're more than welcome to. And then don't forget to complete the quiz so you can get points for this week. And I'll see you in our next email. Our next video on concluding sentences.